In this video, we will demonstrate how to import Stripe customers from the Stripe dashboard into Business Central. Once you have installed Astral Pay and connected Business Central to your Stripe account, you may wish to import your existing customers and their card/payment methods. Firstly, select Stripe, Setup, then Stripe Customer Mapping. The Stripe Customer Mapping page will show a list of all the Stripe customers and the Business Central customers that they link to. To import customers, select one of the three menu actions from the Import Stripe drop-down menu. All customers will retrieve a list of customers from Stripe and will loop through each customer on the list to see if it exists within the mapping table. If it does not exist, then it will insert it. Customers with a card. Some third-party applications may create a Stripe customer even though they haven't purchased and paid for anything. Choosing this import method will work as per the all customers, but will only insert the customer into the Stripe customer mapping table if the Stripe customer also has a payment method. For customers with a saved card, as per the customers with a card import routine, but it will investigate the payment method to see if it has been flagged as set up for future use. Looking at an example of customers with a saved card within the Stripe dashboard, clicking into a customer and then into the payment method, there is a value assigned to set up for future use. So this is the kind of customer with a saved card on the Stripe dashboard side that would be identified when using the customers with a saved card option. Now, for this demonstration, we will select all customers. The process may take a long time depending on how many customers are within your Stripe account. For each new Stripe customer found, it will search the Stripe metadata for a key called BCID. If found, it will use the value as the link to the Business Central customer number and will create the entry in the Stripe customer mapping table. In the third-party Stripe Partner Applications section, we discuss using Astral Pay to enable integration between Business Central and Stripe for third-party Stripe applications. That section describes the possibility of other applications using the metadata area, and it is therefore possible to define an additional key that may be used as the pointer to the Business Central customer number value. If no pointer to the Business Central customer is found, the customer will still be created in the Stripe customer mapping table, but you will need to manually edit the record to add the link to the Business Central customer number. Please note, however, that it will only create the customer if the currency code is specified in Stripe. Now, to identify the newly imported customers, generally they are the ones where the customer number and Stripe currency fields have no information. To amend a record to map it to Business Central customer, select Edit List. Then, select the correct customer number from the drop-down of Business Central customers. The information that is imported is the name and email of the customer, which can be used to help correctly identify the customer. However, if, like in this case, the imported customer is not in Business Central, simply click New to set it up. Now the customer number has been populated with the new customer number. Follow this process to edit any customers with missing customer numbers so that they are linked to Business Central customers or added as new customers into Business Central.